गुड आफ्टरनून लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, हम सब इकट्ठा हुए हैं उसके बारे में बताने के लिए। मे आई प्लीज इनवाइट ऑन स्टेज द कैप्टन ऑफ द शिप। शब्द नहीं यार, ही जस्ट टू गुड, द डायरेक्टर ऑफ द मूवी बजरंगी भाईजान, मिस्टर कबीर खान, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन।
Thank you all for being here.
अभी जो हम रिस्पांस की बात कर रहे थे कबीर भाई, मैं चाहूंगा आप सबको एक बार बताएं जो रिस्पांस मिला है उससे किस टाइप की फीलिंग आ रही है आपको? एवरीबॉडी इज लविंग एवरीथिंग अबाउट द मूवी।
बहुत खुशी हो रही है क्योंकि किसी भी डायरेक्टर के लिए अगर उनका ट्रेलर, उनका सॉन्ग जो भी हम लॉन्च कर रहे हैं, जिस चीज़ के लिए इतना एक्साइटमेंट जनरेट हो रहा है, दैट जस्ट जनरेट्स मोर एक्साइटमेंट इन अस। वी कांट वेट टू शो द फिल्म टू एवरीबडी। अभी तक जो रिस्पॉन्स मिला है वो फिनोमिनल है और आई थिंक इस गाने के बाद और भी ऊपर हो जाएगा।
राइट, सलमान खान भाई टर्निंग प्रोड्यूसर विद दिस मूवी, तो थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा प्रेशर था कि भाई कुछ ज्यादा अच्छा करना पड़ेगा?
नहीं, एक्चुअली प्रेशर नहीं था। एक्चुअली उससे तो प्रेशर हट गया क्योंकि जब मैं गया सुनाने कहानी तो सलमान ने कहा ये बहुत अच्छी कहानी है, मैं इसमें एक्ट भी करूंगा और मैं इसको प्रोड्यूस भी करूंगा।
वाह, अभी यहाँ पे जिस चीज की बात करने वाले, मैं चाहूंगा बताइए हम सबको उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा। इबादत रूपी गाना, जैसे मैंने कहा, भर दो झोली मेरी।
भर दो झोली एक बहुत स्पेशल ट्रैक है हमारे लिए। इनफैक्ट मेरा और सलमान का फेवरेट ट्रैक है पूरी फिल्म में। ये एक इट्स अ वेरी फेमस, एक्चुअली it's our rendition of a qawwali made famous by the Sabri brothers. It's very well known, and when we were looking for a song for this particular situation in the film, we wanted something that had that air of authenticity, something that over the years, over the decades has genuinely moved people. And therefore we were very keen to do our rendition of this famous qawwali, and we wanted Adnan to voice it, and not just voice it, but also we picturized it on Adnan. And I must say it's a extremely moving qawwali. Anybody who sees it and hears it, they cannot help but get moved by it, and that was the purpose of the track in the film. So I hope all of you enjoy it.
Just one last thing that I'd like to know before we play the song for everybody over here. Why Adnan Sami Saab? No, we love you, huh? We love you, but still, why Adnan Sami Saab?
Well, Adnan is somebody I've been following over the years as a fan of his voice, and I think it was almost unanimous. This was in Kashmir. We were sitting, and we were going to shoot this towards the end, so we had a month from the shoot, and Salman and I were debating about who should voice this special track. And it was unanimous. We thought that Adnan would do it. There's something about his voice, even though he's not actually done a qawwali before, but something about his voice. We believe that he would be the best person to sing this track, and not just sing, actually perform it for us.
Right, that's for the first time. Abhi uski bhi baat karne wale hain. But before all that, let's take a look at this song "Bhar Do Jholi Meri" from the movie Bajrangi Bhaijaan for the first time for all you beautiful people out there. वैसे अपने स्टूडियो में और हेडफोन्स पे फुल ऑन इसको वॉल्यूम करके, बिकॉज रेडियो अगर आप करते हैं तो अकेले बैठना पड़ता है पूरे स्टूडियो में। अभी यहाँ पे बहुत सारी बात करनी है इस गाने के बारे में। आफ्टर दिस वंडरफुल सॉन्ग दैट वी जस्ट सॉ एंड हर्ड, मे आई प्लीज इनवाइट ऑन स्टेज द वन एंड ओनली मिस्टर अदनान सामी। बस इतनी सी तालियां यार, इतना कमाल के रेंडरेशन के बाद कमाल है। स्वागत है अदनान भाई। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मुझे ये बताइए, मुझे ये पता लगा है कि अब तक इससे पहले हमने आपको नहीं देखा था ऐसे किसी बॉलीवुड गाने में, या यहाँ तो इबादत हो रही है। सो इस बार तो मतलब ऐसा होगा सलमान खान की फिल्म कबीर खान साहब डायरेक्ट कर रहे हैं, तो सर भर भर के नोट बताना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे सब सारे मीडिया के सामने।
देखिए, सबसे पहली बात यह है कि जैसे आपने कहा, मैंने कभी अपना गाना जो है फिल्म में पिक्चराइज नहीं किया, लेकिन सलमान के साथ जो मेरी एक दोस्ती है, एक रिश्ता है, अब बात यह कि पठान हूं,
okay.
दोस्ती और रिश्ता, उसमें पैसे का क्या ताल्लुक?
अरे क्या बात है यार, जोरदार ताली हो जाए अदनान भाई के लिए प्लीज।
इसमें इट वाज कंप्लीटली आउट ऑफ लव एंड नथिंग एल्स। बस मैंने एक बहुत खास कंडीशन डाली थी, वो ये थी कि ढेर सारा प्यार दो।
अरे यहाँ तो बहुत सारा प्यार हम श्योर मिलने वाला है। सलमान भाई ने कल के दिन ट्वीट किया था कि इस फिल्म का ये उनका सबसे ज्यादा फेवरेट गाना है, एंड द फैंस वेंट क्रेजी। आपको भी ट्विटर पे बहुत सारी ट्वीट्स मिल रही थी।
हाँ, इट्स बिन फिनोमिनल। आई एम वेरी वेरी ग्रेटफुल। मुझे कुछ लोगों ने तो ये भी कह दिया कि मैंने गाना नहीं सुना लेकिन मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है। तो it's the love, it's incredible.
अच्छा, one last सवाल, and that is सलमान भाई के साथ स्क्रीन स्पेस शेयर किया, कैसा लगा अदनान? बोलो।
बहुत अच्छा लगा।
बहुत अच्छा लगा। चलो एक काम करते हैं, सॉरी मत करो, सलमान भाई के मारेंगे। लेट्स हैव मिस्टर कबीर खान ऑन स्टेज, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, द कैप्टन ऑफ द शिप। तालियां हो जाए, कम ऑन यार, आप लोग, मैंने बोला ना सबसे पहले आप ही लोग हर चीज का भोग करते हैं यहाँ पे। उसके बाद मे आई प्लीज इनवाइट ऑन स्टेज मिस कौसर मुनीर, हु इज द लिरिसिस्ट ऑफ दिस वंडरफुल सॉन्ग, द मैजिशियन आई वुड से, Mr. Amar Butala, who's the CEO of Salman Khan Films and co-producer of Bajrangi Bhaijaan. And last but not the least, Mr. Nandu Ahuja, who's the Senior VP India Theatrical, Eros International. Zordar तालियां पूरी की पूरी crew के लिए over here. And after the photo op, we have a surprise for all you people over here. Thank you so much. And talking about the surprise, before we all settle down, अदनान भाई एक बार मैं चाहूंगा कुछ लाइनें हो जाए इस इबादत रूपी गाने से हम सब के लिए। क्या बोलते हैं सब लोग? All set? हो जाए। Full song.
अच्छा। भर दो झोली मेरी या मोहम्मद। क्या हो? ओह अच्छा। भर दो झोली मेरी या मोहम्मद, लौट कर मैं न जाऊंगा खाली। भर दो झोली मेरी या मोहम्मद, लौट कर मैं न जाऊंगा खाली। भर दो झोली आका जी, भर दो झोली नबी जी, भर दो झोली मेरी या मोहम्मद, लौट कर मैं न जाऊंगा खाली।
सुपर्ब, जोरदार तालियां, और ये तालियां ऐसे ही बजनी रहनी चाहिए बिकॉज वी हैव अनदर स्पेशल गेस्ट ओवर हियर, मिस्टर विनोद भानुशाली फ्रॉम टी सीरीज। मैं उनसे भी गुजारिश करूंगा प्लीज चरण कमल यहां स्टेज पे लेके आए। लाइक हाँ चरण कमल। एक बार वापस से प्रेजेंटिंग दिस कमाल का क्रू ऑफ द मूवी बजरंगी भाईजान। फोटो अब अभी बाकी है। थैंक यू सो मच एंड नाउ इट्स ओवर टू द मीडिया। आप लोग अपने प्रश्न उत्तर जो हैं उनको पा सकते हैं। सबसे पहले वहां से हाँ सलमान गया।
हेलो अदनान जी हियर ऑन योर राइट साइड, दिस साइड।
शुक्र है मैं फिट तो आ जाता हूँ इसमें।
अदनान जी, दिस इज राजेंद्र सिंह फ्रॉम मकराना। अच्छा, ये जो मकराना मैगजीन थी हियर आई एम सिटिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ, ये जो आपने इतनी अच्छी कव्वाली सुनाई हमें
जी,
ये कंपोजिशन आपकी थी या प्रीतम साहब की थी या मिलजुल के किया आपने?
जैसे अभी कबीर जी ने बताया था कि इट इज बेस्ड ऑन अ वेरी वेरी ओल्ड ट्रेडिशनल कव्वाली एंड देन प्रीतम कंपोज्ड ऑन इट एंड उसमें उन्होंने अपनी जिद्दत उसमें शामिल की। तो दैट इज व्हाट इट इज।
अच्छा, हेलो, दिस इज फॉर कबीर खान. I'd like to ask you that what change do you think will this movie bring to Indian cinema? What change? Yeah.
जी वो तो बहुत ही मतलब मैं कुछ कहूँगा तो साउंड वेरी पॉम्पस। I think I just hope that it's a film that's appreciated by audiences. एक सलमान के लिए एक अलग किरदार है इसमें, and it's a very warm sort of moving story of human relationships, and it's told in a very entertaining and engaging manner. I think the audiences will definitely enjoy it. After that, if some change occurs, that's something that I definitely cannot say.
Hi, this is Suhail from Glamsham. My question is to Kabir and Adnan. इस फिल्म में से पहली बार बहुत सी चीज़ें हो रही, जैसे अदनान विल बी लेकिन स्क्रीन पे आएंगे पहली बार फॉर अ सॉन्ग, कवाली पहली बार गा रहे हैं, और ये जो दरगाह है आई थिंक सो देव, वहाँ पर भी पहली बार ऐसे शूट हो रहा है. तो वुड यू लाइक टू शेयर समथिंग ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर?
जी, आई मीन यू राइट, लॉट्स ऑफ फर्स्ट्स. ऐश मुकाम दरगाह में पहले कभी शूटिंग नहीं हुई है, लेकिन इतनी खूबसूरत लोकेशन है, इतना खूबसूरत दरगाह है वो, कि जब हम वहाँ गए I knew that this is the right location for us to shoot this very, very significant portion of the film. तो हमने उनसे बात करी, और कश्मीर में वैसे भी everybody was very helpful and cooperative, and they more than welcomed us to shoot over there. Then yes, we seeing Adnan for the first time perform his song on screen. That was very important for us because जो ट्रैक है वो एक बहुत ही मूविंग ट्रैक है, और एक फिल्म में भी एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट पे आता है. तो हम ऐसी एक शख्सियत चाहते थे जो इट्स नॉट ओनली अ वॉइस बट ऑल्सो फेस. वी वांटेड द क्रेडिबिलिटी ऑफ अ गुड मैन सिंगिंग दैट सॉन्ग, एंड सो Adnan was a unanimous choice, and I think you will enjoy the song even more when you see it in the narrative of the film.
Adnan, do you feel
Really? This is that moment when I'm speechless, which is very rare. I don't know how to respond to that.
Kabir, hi, this side. Faridun from Bollywood, this side. Kabir, it's being said that the way you have presented Salman Khan in the promos from what we've gathered so far, that you presented Salman Khan in a very different manner from the way he has been done in the last few films, because there had been a stereotype of Salman being presented in action format and all those action scenes, which are not there, and which is a refreshing change as well. Many are loving it. So was it a conscious decision on your part to present Salman Khan differently?
It wasn't a conscious decision to present him differently. It was just a conscious decision to follow what is true for this story. And in this story, he would have to be different from, say, the films that he's been doing for the past 7-8 years. And this is something that both Salman and I both sort of instinctively, wanted to portray this character in a certain way. So yes, I think the glimpses that you're getting of his character from the trailers and the songs and people are reacting to it, and they are understanding that it is going to be a very different character for Salman. But I think ultimately it's, let's wait till the film comes, because हर film से पहले हम यही बोलते हैं, अलग है, अलग है, अलग है.
India-Pakistan, the way the entire theme somewhere is India-Pakistan as well. Off late, we've seen a lot of, I think, resistance from both the countries. There are a lot has been happening in terms of television battles are happening as well. In terms of newsroom television battles are happening as well. Do you think that maybe this film can add in terms of people-to-people contact, or do you feel that there may be some resistance from certain quarters as well?
No, I feel that the newsroom battles that you're talking about, they are in very bad taste. They just bring in this whole element of jingoism and chest thumping, which is distasteful in civil society. And in some sense, this film is a reaction to that. This is something I've always felt very strongly about. We all have, and I also feel very strongly against what, say, the establishment of Pakistan is doing in some quarters. But we cannot take that and put that responsibility on the people of Pakistan. The whole point of this film is that ultimately the common man is the same, whether he's on this side of the border or that side of the border. And there's terrorism, both of. So I think, if there's going to be criticism from some quarters, so be it, because this is a film that Salman and I truly believe in. I mean, the politics of this film is something that both of us stand by very strongly.
Yeah.
Yes, of course, we would love to. I mean, that would be the whole point.
Yeah, Kabir Khan here. What's the social message of this movie?
You know, I find it very pompous for a filmmaker to say there's a social message. There is something that in the film that we're dealing with, and it is essentially a nice, engaging, entertaining film. And at the end of the film, if some people take away a message from it, great. They probably will enjoy the film even more. But I cannot really articulate and say this is the message of the film, because ultimately it's for the audience to take away from the film. And if they don't take it away, then that's my feeling as a director.
Kabir ji.
The message of the film is very profound, actually. The message is, go watch it.
Mr. Ahuja, my question is for you. We've just heard that there's a major release happening along with your film. Today it's been confirmed. So, will there be any change in the marketing strategy?
Major release along with the
Which film is this?
With our films, are you 1 year ahead of us?
Achha.
That's 2016, Sultan.
Not Sultan, I'm talking about Rais.
With Rais and Sultan, right now there's a clash of days. बहुत आगे से निकल गए आप.
Kabir, hi, my question is to you. How difficult or easy it is to work with Salman?
I think it's a process. You really don't say whether
Tell me both the sides of it. We would like to know both the sides.
You mean you want me to articulate Salman's side? I think he found it brilliant working with me. He couldn't work with anybody better. From my side, you know, I guess probably this question is stemming from the fact that there was a lot of talk in the media when we were doing Ek Tha Tiger, that there was a lot of sort of tussle between the two of us. Yes, there was. And honestly, I always say that if there is no tussle between the director and the actor, like if my actor did not argue and sort of, you know, discuss with me the scene, I'd be worried, because then I have a brain dead actor who's ready to do anything I want. It shows that there's a certain involvement. And yes, in a film like Tiger, there was certain clash of, you know, approach that we wanted to take for the film. That was the first time we were working together. But by the end of Tiger, I think we both understood each other very well, and that's why this second collaboration. And this second collaboration also came out of the fact that because we understood each other, and I realized there are certain things that Salman feels very strongly about, is why I approached him with Bajrangi Bhaijaan. And in this film, it's been a party throughout. We've had great fun shooting this film. It's been a very positive journey. And I think ultimately that positivity shows on screen.
Also, there's a third collaboration in the pipeline. If you can tell us something about it, or it's too early.
फिर कोई एक साल आगे चले गया. कौन है? हाँ, too early.
Kabir ji, Bajrangi, it sounds that Hindu, and Bhaijaan sounds like Muslim. Whether he acted as a Hindu or Muslim, let's know that about Salman.
जी टिकट खरीद के देखिए.
This is Soumya from Times Now. My question is to Kabir. Kabir, the festive season is usually booked by the Khans. Like, it's an unsaid norm of the industry now. So, as a part of the industry, do you think this monopoly is good for the business on the whole?
It's not a monopoly. It's basically when there's a big event film, even for a studio, for Eros, obviously you want to release on a holiday because there's going to be a bigger audience coming for that film. So therefore, it's not like, you know, people are monopolizing it. The whole industry sort of is working towards then getting those tent-pole productions on holidays. You know, even in Hollywood, you know, the holiday season films are different. So it's natural that a big film that is reaching out to a very large audience gets released on a holiday.
Hi Adnan, Alok here from OFM. आपके right में. ठीक है, आप बस आवाज सुन लीजिए मेरी. सवाल ये कि प्रीतम ने क्या इस गीत को पहले पाकिस्तान के कव्वालों से रिकॉर्ड करवाया था, फिर बाद में आपकी एंट्री हुई इस पर्टिकुलर सॉन्ग के लिए?
अच्छा, ये प्रीतम से ही पूछना पड़ेगा.
नहीं, एक प्रेस रिलीज के दौरान ये बताया गया था कि कव्वालों ने, वहाँ के पाकिस्तान के कव्वालों ने गाया. फिर
नहीं, आई थिंक आप कंफ्यूज. देखिए, हर गाना जो होता है जब बनाते हैं ना, तो फिर एक स्क्रैच रिकॉर्ड होता है, बिकॉज टू जज कि क्या काम कर रहा है क्या नहीं कर रहा है. एक बार स्क्रैच रिकॉर्ड हो जाता है, फिर हम फाइनल वॉइस रिकॉर्ड करते हैं. तो मे बी यू टॉकिंग अबाउट अ स्क्रैच रिकॉर्डिंग.
नहीं, उसमें लिखा था कि पाकिस्तान के कव्वालों से रिकॉर्ड किया गया, फिर सलमान ने अदनान को प्रेफर किया, देन अदनान ने फिर इस गाने को रिकॉर्ड किया.
सर, आप फिर वो राइटर से ही पूछे क्या असली कहानी है.
नहीं, वो प्रीतम साहब के आगे.
नहीं, अगर किया है तो बड़ा स्वीट किया है.
अच्छा है. दूसरा ये सवाल है कि आपकी जो स्टाइलिंग है इस पर्टिकुलर गाने में वो थोड़ी डिफरेंट है, कैप वगैरह, तो थोड़ा उसके बारे में बताएं.
देखिए जो 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 प्लॉट है, जो सेटिंग है, वो कश्मीर में है, और फिर जो वहाँ पर जिस तरह का लिबास पहना जाता है, और ख़ास तौर पे ये मद्देनज़र रखते हुए कि एक दरगाह में ये पिक्चराइज किया जा रहा है, तो उसी के हिसाब से जो स्टाइलिंग थी वो अपनाई गई थी, और उसी हिसाब से हमने उसको पेश किया था.
Good afternoon. This is Vikram Thapar from NDTV here. Hi. A question that probably everybody wants to ask here is, where is Salman Khan? I mean, usually whenever there's a press conference, Salman is at the forefront. This time, is there a change in the promotion strategy, considering a lot is happening on the web and we don't see him here?
No, I mean, he's not going to be there at every single launch. Salman right now is shooting for Prem Ratan Dhan Payo. And since this is a music launch and, you know, the star of the evening is Adnan, we wanted to do it with Adnan. You're not happy with just the two of us?
Oh, we love the song. In fact, my next question is to Adnan. Adnan, in Pakistan, we've heard of, you know, Riaz Ali Qadri and, of course, Nusrat Sahab, and, you know, there are a lot of qawwals there. So did you specifically style the way you're going to be singing this song, the way you sang this song on a particular, say, a qawwal? And how difficult is it to be a qawwal, considering when you're not one?
Well, you see, if one thing that I've always tried to avoid doing is emulating anybody. And even though it's the first time that I've sung a qawwali, I wanted to find my own space and my own identity in it. I have, of course, listened to an innumerable amount of qawwals throughout my life and admired all of them. And they're phenomenal. But the point was that if, and I think I can safely say from Salman's perspective and Kabir's perspective, that if they had in their mind thought that they wanted my voice, then they wanted me to bring in a certain element of my own in order to be able to identify me in a different perspective, as opposed to me just simply doing a take on some other qawwal. Then it would be very easy to just request them to do it. So I brought in my own element. I found my own space. I've never done a qawwali before, so it was a challenge. But I'm very happy with the experience. And of course, at the end of the day, you know, being classically trained in Indian classical music, becoming a qawwal in the picturization itself was, it was different for me, and yet I was, you know, music is music at the end of the day.
Hi Kabir.
Hello, Kabir.
Over here.
Kabir, what kind of difficulties you guys faced during the climax shoot? Can you just tell us something about that?
I don't call them difficulties. Yeah, the logistical issues because we were shooting at a location which was high in altitude. It was at the base of the Thajwas Glacier, which extends from about 10,000 feet to 11,000 feet above sea level. So yes, it was, and you know, I sort of, I guess it's because of my documentary days or my trekking days, but I'm always looking out for, much to Salman's displeasure, locations which are inaccessible. So it was about an hour's trek away from the nearest road. So that used to be, but I guess it's all part of the game. That's what makes it special, and that's how you reach special locations. And ultimately, when you see it on screen, all the trouble taken to reach that location is worth it.
आखिरी दो प्रश्न.
Hi Kabir, myself Himesh. My question to you is, while interacting with fan on Twitters, you revealed that there are 7 songs in the album of Bajrangi Bhaijaan. So when can we expect the music album to be launched?
We'll be sort of giving you a song by and by. Every 4-5 days, every week, one song will keep coming out. So I think just wait and watch.
Yeah. And the second question is, there are reports that you have shot for a special Eid song titled Eid Mubarak. So is there any truth to that, and could you speak about
As and when we announce it and launch it, you'll see it.
Yeah, Kabir, there is all the time you have been, I mean, even earlier, here. I am Rajesh Kumar Singh from BollywoodTrade.com. You have been
constantly referring to the term, the politics of this film. But we don't know what is the politics of that film. So what is the politics of this film?
Sir, same thing. Ticket खरीद के देखिए.
Hi, one question.
One last question,
one
please.
One question to Adnan. Adnan, of course, we still remember and enjoy that one song you sang, which was Lift Kara De. In a sense, it was your call to God through your talent. This one is in similar, it has a similar tone. It's a Sufi song. Do you expect the same fate for this song to be so popular as and when it grows?
I think as an artist, whatever work I do, I always expect the best. I have a lot of faith in the music of the film. And I've done my best. I've loved the song. I'm very grateful to Salman and Kabir for giving me this song. And I really wish that, and I put my heart and soul in it. So I really wish that people love it as much as I've loved composing it. I'm sorry, singing it. And so that's all I can pray for.
Adnan, आप एक
the locations
film
are
beautiful.
एक
कुछ समझ में नहीं.
The locations are beautiful. Kashmiri locations are beautiful, I think, in the song. So could you please tell us the exact locations where exactly it was shot? And secondly, Salman as an actor, I think, is coming across in a very different light. Be it you look in his eyes, the body language is very different from what we've seen him in the past. So as an actor, if you have to just speak about Salman Khan, please.
The first part of your question, this is at the Esh Muqam Dargah, which is about a 45-minute drive from Pahalgam. It's the first time a song is being picturized over there. In terms of are you talking about the location where we shot the song? Oh, so those are, I mean, from different parts of the film. The song itself has been picturized at the Esh Muqam Dargah, and then of course we've shot in Aru, in Chandanwadi, in Thajwas, outside Sonmarg, in several locations, Kashmir. Salman as an actor, he's this is one performance that I really feel is very consistent in character, and it's definitely a unique character that he's played. So again, I don't want to say much because it sounds like rhetoric before the release, but I'm just waiting for people to see it and judge for themselves.
I'm going to steal all the mics away now. Ore. Mic भी नहीं see. Let him come. Madam, say.
उस पे काम चल रहा है और काफी काम हो गया है. जितना समय गुजरा है ना, उतना ही काम हो चुका है. वो भी अनकरीब होगा.
ओके, वो देवी जी बस लास्ट सवाल आपके ऊपर. हाँ.
रोमांटिक गाने जो हैं वो तो मेरी जान है. ये भी अगर देखा जाए तो एक अलग किस्म का रोमांस है, लेकिन ऊपर वाले के साथ. तो रोमांस के अलग अलग रंग होते हैं. ये सबसे बड़ा रोमांस है मेरे ख्याल में जो इंसान ऊपर वाले के साथ करता है. तो रोमांटिक गाने तो मैं गाता ही रहूँगा, चाहे वो एल्बम में हो, फिल्म में हो. लेकिन इस वक्त जो मेरी दुनिया का जो सबसे बड़ा रोमांस है, जो हमेशा रहा है और हमेशा रहेगा, वो है ऊपर वाले के साथ, और वो ये गाना है.
Superb. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. इस गाने को आप भी लिप सिंक करें और देखिए ऊपर वाला कैसे सुनता है आप लोगों की. Thank you so much for your time.